Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to find the Arcane Pickaxe locations in Roblox The Forge. Okay, let's get started. First, just head to the cave area, this cave, and then just enter it, and then just turn right, and then just keep moving forward. Just follow my step, and then just over here, like this. And then you will find a room with metal bars blocking in the entrance like this. Just tap on the lock to open it. Make sure you already have the key. The key is obtained from the Find Bars guitar quest. And if you don't know how to complete that mission, just check the video link in the descriptions towards the tutorial. And after the bars open, just go inside and then you will find the Arcane Pickaxe like this. The Arcane Pickaxe costs 500,000 gold with the powerful stats like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.